Hello, today we are on the second line, F major and the D minor. This is Hrimaly, page 8, if you follow me. So still just one octave scales and major minor version. So try to, follow what I'm doing and then you can replicate on your own. It's a good idea though to do this slowly if this is difficult for you, and then gradually speed up as it gets easier. And if this is easy for you, then you might want to skip this and move on into the middle section of the book, or even the final section of the book, where you're getting into more complex 3-octave scales. Let's try. Now we're going to do the finger preparation to play the melodic minor part. So on the ascending part, we're going elevated 6th and 7th step, and on the descending, back to harmonic, not natural harmonic. Harmonic natural minor. It's important to do this little quick prep exercise to help you with the finger placement for the melodic minor you're about to do. If you play this the right way, you should end up with 2 versions for each scale. The top bowings and the bottom version bowings. Be sure to do both. This will only take a couple minutes of your time, but you're trying 2 different ways to play a scale, which is what the author recommends. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, I invite you to visit my website, where you can find more information about the online lessons I teach. Thank you for watching.